Hi everyone, Deidre here from Our Upcycled Life. Have you been to the store lately and priced greeting cards? Because I was blown away by how expensive they were. And with Valentine's Day just around the corner, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your own DIY Valentine Day cards on a budget with upcycling scrap paper. Not only is it a great way to save money, but it's also eco-friendly and a way to repurpose materials that you probably already have in your home. So whether you're looking to make cards for your significant other, friends, or family, I got you covered with all kinds of different techniques. So grab your scrap paper and let's get started making some budget-friendly Valentine Day cards. We got lots of work. Let's get started. Now the first thing that I've done is I've printed off a whole bunch of my Valentine's Day graphics. These are all available in my Etsy store, but if you have any Valentine graphics already, you can also use them. I've made them all kinds of different sizes, and I love to make my paper look old and vintage. Love coffee staining or tea staining. This is just some instant coffee that I've mixed up with some warm water, and I'm pouring it right all on top of all of those Valentine's Day graphics. I'm going to let them sit for about 10 minutes, soak up all that color, and then I'm going to put them in my oven and dry it, and we're going to have beautiful vintage looking paper like this in minutes. I have lots of beautiful floral scrapbooking paper that I've had for quite a while, and I got bits and pieces, so that's what I'm going to use for today's project. Now this one, I've just taken one of my graphics and I'm going to cut this scrapbooking paper that I've also coffee stained to be just a little bit bigger than the graphic, and we're going to fold it in half and turn it into a card. Got out my glue stick and I'm just going to use it on the back of that graphic and then put it on the front of that piece of folded scrapbooking paper. And in a matter of minutes, we have made a greeting card that you would have paid $5 or more at the store. That simple. Now I've made a video on how to custom make envelopes. If you want to see the full tutorial, I'll put the link down below in the description. But I'm going to show you now how you can make an envelope to fit your card. You're just going to make sure you have a square piece of paper, put your card in the middle, and when you fold the middle pieces in and it touches the middle of the card, you know when you have the envelope all finished, your card will slip right into the envelope. So you're going to take your two corners of the square and press them down firmly till they just meet in the center. I like using a bone folder for these steps because it makes a nice crisp line. Put our ruler at the top. We're going to bring the bottom point to just touch the tip of that ruler, and then again we're going to make a nice crisp line with the bone folder along the bottom. Lay the ruler in the middle on each point there, make a crease, and then fold that flap in. Use the bone folder so you have a nice crisp line again. Then put the ruler at the top, make a nice crease, fold it in, make it nice and crisp with the bone folder. And we've created an envelope that's going to be the exact size for your card to fit into it. I like using the double-sided tape to put it all together, put along the outside edges, on the inside of that flap, and then press it all down and together. So our card that we just made now has a beautiful envelope to put it in, all made with just some scrap paper that I've had in my stash, and it's gorgeous. Now you can write a little note on it and then you can use your double-sided tape to seal up your envelope. So I'm just going to make a couple more cards and envelopes, and I'm just going to let the music play so you can just enjoy me making these and watching and following along. So I hope you've enjoyed me showing you how you can create affordable, beautiful Valentine's Day cards without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. And if you love this video, I'm sure you'll love these next two. Take care.